Let us read the question first. In the figure below, triangle ABC is inscribed in the circle with center O and diameter AC. If AB equals AO, which means that AB, this equals AO, what is the degree measure of angle ABO? Angle ABO. What is the value of this angle? The options are given here, and we have to use the concepts of a circle and triangle to solve this question. So if this is the center, then this is the radius, which means that OB equals OA. So this is also same, which means that all the sides of triangle ABO are equal. And we also know that in an equilateral triangle means the triangle with all of its sides equal. The angles made by the triangle are also equal because angle depends on the length of the side. If all the sides are equal, then all the angles make 60 degrees. And we need not to do any calculations here because this is based on theorem. So if all the sides are equal, then all the angles are the same, which means that all the angles make 60 degrees. So option D is the correct answer to this question. And another thing that I want you to know is that sum of all the angles in the triangle is 180 degrees. If this is A, this is B, and this is C, then A plus B plus C equals 180 degrees. So this concept is applicable in all of the triangles, and hence oftentimes it is not mentioned in the questions, but you should know it. Let's solve this question. Here we are given a triangle inside the circle with center O, and OY is the radius of the circle. Similarly, XO is also the radius of the circle. We don't know the exact radius, but we know the area of the triangle XOY is 25. So area of triangle equals 25. We also know that the area of triangle is calculated by the formula 1 by 2 base multiplied by height of the triangle. Here in this case, this is the right angle to triangles. This is the height of the triangle and this is the base of the triangle. Since both of these sides are radius of the circle, they are equal. Let us assume that the radius is r, so this is also r. So 1 by 2 r multiplied by r equals 25. R multiplied by r equals r square divided by 2, and here 25. So if we just cross multiply this, r square equals 50 because 25 multiplied by 2 is 50. R equals under root 50 if we square root both the sides. So this is the radius, and they are asking us the area of the circle. So to calculate the area of the circle, we use the formula pi r square. So we know the value of r now, under root 50 whole square. This square root and square is cancelled, so 50 pi is the area of the circle. So this option C is the correct answer to this question.